Hi, my name is Renako Campbell, and I play Ace in The Outsiders on Broadway, and I am so excited to show you my station today. All right, come on over. So, there's a lot going on, but this is the true life of a showgirl, okay? So, down here, I like to keep all of my show makeup that I'm going to use on the daily, and then in the second tier of this little spinning rack, I've got more like body products, hand products, things like that. I've got my handy dandy Ace mug, wink wink, with some of my brushes and a few of my eye products. And then here I've got some palettes and some deodorants and things like that to stay fresh. Now, if you look around, I love to decorate my station with fan art. It warms my heart so much. It's just a reminder of how many people love the show and see me on stage and are inspired by what I'm doing. So I've got some bracelets, some photos, some stickers, some keychains. I've got some photos of loved ones up here. I really want to add more. I feel like stations are such a work in progress, and I feel like my next step is going to be getting more photos of some family and friends and things like that. My favorite thing is this Ace bunny. Somebody literally knitted my character as a bunny. I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. Somebody also did Ace as a dog, which is so funny. I love that as well. Let's see. Funko Pop, classic. Ace Funko Pop. And then I think one of my favorite special things I keep is just a little jewelry box here. And I keep my personal jewelry that I can't wear on stage in here. And it just makes me feel very dainty and girly whenever I pull this thing out. So I think that's me.
Hi, I'm Logan, and I play Marcia in The Outsiders on Broadway. And this is my station. This is my first Broadway dressing room, so I was heavily inspired by Pinterest and also my girls next to me. I'm my dress is green in the show.
Costume shout out.
Costume. So I kind of chose like a green theme. Don't look too closely. There's EPDM everywhere. So like a green and gold theme. This is like all my makeup and shout out One Size. This is the greatest setting spray. Renako, your fuel has arrived. That's Miss Ianth. She's awesome. And this is a sweet little espresso cup my boyfriend got for me. Shout out boyfriend. Rogue sponge. And this is all of the fan art. Like Renako said, we're really lucky to have such supportive fans. And I also have a lot of photo booth photos. I had my birthday party in Midtown at a place that had a photo booth. And so I have a lot of photos from the photo booth here. This is one of my favorite quotes from Robin Williams. He said, "You're only given one little spark of madness. You mustn't lose it." And I try not to. This is one of my favorite things at my station, hiding behind some perfume. My best friends from tour got me one of these digital photo frames, and they upload photos from it from tour, and it makes me feel like I have a piece of them with me all the time, which is very special. And it auto turns on and off, which is why I had to turn it on. My favorite thing, this is my chalice. I drink my electrolytes in this because if you come with me, Abby's gonna get them. These are our little shot glasses that are all color coordinated. This is for Renako because she has little purple socks as Ace. My green dress. Why is there kind of mold in? Don't look. And this is Abby's little blue. And we were gifted cherry juice like our first week here by Jenna, one of our dance captains. And we used to take cherry juice shots after the shows. We've been a little out of practice, but good reminder. But one of them broke, and so one of the ladies in the costume shop had to order a new one, but you couldn't order one of the small ones without the chalice. So now I have a chalice, and it's green. I feel like that's all. Oh, my friend Nicholas gave me this 4-leaf clover that he found after I made my cherry debut, which is pretty cool.
Where's the tiara?
Oh my gosh! The tiara. My hair is slicked back, so I can't really wear it. But this is my crown, and I was gifted it at my debut. Oh! I'm showing everything. We all have Funko Pops. This was gifted to me, too, because Marcia's sour like lemon. I'm like, the tiara will not fall off. And this is my Funko Pop. Abby will show hers, too.
Heck yeah.
I'm making you. Hi, I'm Abby. I play Bev on The Outsiders on Broadway. Hey, welcome to my station. Come to my corner. So you've seen the other girls. Mine looks a lot like theirs. It's really excellent. This is my tray where I keep all of my stuff. This is all my makeup, all the makeup that I use in the show over here in this lovely thing. But mostly, like the girl said, our walls are covered with fan art, and they're fan art and also love letters from tour. So if anyone knows me, I was Bev on tour for a brief stint, and Bev on tour is brunette, or was. Actually, still is now. So I've got like a lovely mixture here of brunette Bev stuff and blonde Bev stuff, and it's very confusing. And then we've got redhead Abby and all of these lovely things. But these are my favorite little guys who we've had stickers made for all of our characters, and they're just precious. But Logan and I made Marcia and Bev hold hands on our water bottles because we're in love. What can I say? And then I've got my cutie little Funko Pop, and I'm still waiting on my blonde one, but my brunette one freaked out and fell out of its box. But it's because she's having a really good time. She loves it here. So she lives up here with Logan's Funko Pop and they're best friends. Yeah, and then I've got, I have a lovely fan who's come to all of my Broadway shows, and if you've seen recently, we don't do inserts anymore for understudies and swings. Totally fine, understand, but she makes them for me because I understudy a couple roles in the show, so all the times I've gone on, she's made me one, which is really, really sweet, and so I put them up there. I've got my sweet little boyfriend and lovely art and letters from all my loved ones, but this is where we keep our dog. This is me as a Chihuahua.